Your garage is becoming the new gas station for your electric vehicle. A professionally installed home charger can instantly boost your property value by over $17,000. But achieving that value isn't as simple as buying a charger from a big box store. In fact, a common issue in many homes could turn that investment into a $2,000 problem. We'll break down the hidden challenges of home EV charger installation and show you the clear path to getting it right. So, why is home charging so critical? Because a staggering 80% of all EV charging happens right where you park overnight. First, this is not a DIY project. We're talking high-power electricity that risks fire, injury, and voided warranties. Second, the costs add up fast. A simple installation can run from $1,200 to over $2,500 beyond the charger cost. And third, it needs its own dedicated 240-volt circuit. Using an existing dryer outlet can overload your entire system. Modern chargers are sophisticated safety devices with ground fault interrupters that a professional must integrate correctly. These aren't arbitrary rules. They're rooted in local codes and electrical realities. So what's happening behind your wall? The first layer of difficulty is local compliance. In San Diego, for instance, the city requires a permit and a final inspection for safety. Fortunately, the county offers a streamlined online portal that can issue same-day permits, but you need to know how to use it. But the biggest why is your electrical panel. A Level 2 charger is one of the most power-hungry appliances you can add. Many San Diego homes, particularly those over 30 years old, were built before EVs, and their panels often lack the capacity. This is where that shocking cost appears. A basic panel upgrade is $1,500, but major rewiring can push that price toward $2,000. So you have local codes, permit processes, and major electrical hurdles. Now, let's turn these challenges into advantages. The most immediate win is cost. Charging your EV at home in California is about half the price of filling a gas car for the same miles. You can save even more. Smart chargers can cut home energy bills by 30–50% by automatically charging at the cheapest times. Pair that with SDG&E's special time-of-use plans. Charging during super off-peak hours is cheaper than any public station. And if you have solar panels, you can power your car for free, achieving true energy independence. The savings are clear, but the right installation is also about preparing for the future. What else must you think about? One common hurdle is your homeowners association. Even if the city approves, your HOA might have its own rules you must follow. But the biggest challenge is planning for what's next. How do you install a charger today that's ready for the EV of tomorrow? A key piece of professional advice is to install more capacity than you need. A 50-amp charger prepares you for future vehicles. Choosing the right amperage location and charger type is a decision that impacts your home for a decade or more, needing consultation. We've seen the high stakes, the hidden rules, and the future unknowns. So how do these pieces fit together for a smart decision? Remember that scary $2,000 panel upgrade? A professional assesses if it's needed, framing that cost against the $17,000 in property value. Needless to say, this isn't a DIY job. An electrician isn't just running wires. They integrate a smart device that produces energy savings. And what about preparing for tomorrow's EV? Advanced systems can use AI to learn your habits or let your car power your house in a blackout. Here is the key takeaway. Professional installation is the bridge from a confusing present to a future of savings and home value. The availability of dedicated home services in San Diego isn't just for convenience. It's for the expertise to manage this process. You now understand the stakes, from permits and panel upgrades to smart savings and preparing for the future. You are now equipped to ask the right questions and avoid the costly pitfalls many homeowners fall into. Don't guess with your home's safety and value. Start with a professional consultation to create a personalized plan.